In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate or clone a Shopify page template easily. If you're managing a Shopify store, you might find yourself needing to duplicate a page template to maintain consistency, save time, or simply to experiment with different designs without affecting your live site. Let's dive into the process, which is straightforward and can be completed in just a few minutes. First, you'll need to begin by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard, which serves as the control center for your online store. Once you're logged in, look toward the left-hand side of the screen where your navigation menu is located. From there, click on the online store option. This will direct you to the section where you manage your store's themes and templates. Now that you're in the online store section, you should see a submenu with more options pertaining to your store's appearance. Among these options, you'll find Customize. Go ahead and click on Customize, which will take you to the theme editor interface. This is where all the magic happens, where you can modify your store's look and functionality to better suit your needs. Once inside the theme editor, notice the menu at the top of the page. Here you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Home Page. Click on this drop-down and you'll see several options. Choose Pages from this list. This selection allows you to view all available page templates for your theme. With the Pages section open, you'll find the option to create a new template. You'll want to click on Create Template. At this step, you're prompted to name your new template. Choose a name that clearly represents the purpose of the template or its contents, as this will help you identify it later without any confusion. After naming your template, look for the option that says Based On. This step is crucial when duplicating a template. Here you need to select Default Page as the base template. By doing this, you're essentially making a copy of the standard page template that comes with your theme, which you can then customize further if needed. Finally, once you've selected Default Page, click the button labeled Create Template. Your new template is now saved and ready to be tailored to fit the specific needs of your store. You can adjust this new template just like any other element of your Shopify website, ensuring that it aligns with your brand and business goals. And there you have it. That's how you duplicate or clone a Shopify page template. This process will save you time and effort, and it gives you the flexibility to experiment with different layouts and designs. Practice creating templates and soon you'll feel confident in handling your store's visual elements.